Just recently, President Emerson Mnangagwa announced the approval of a license for Starlink to operate in Zimbabwe. This is huge because it promises high-speed internet access across the country, including its most remote areas. The government claims this is a leap towards modernizing Zimbabwe, turning it into a digital economy powerhouse by 2030. Sounds great, right? But here's where it gets tricky. The license was awarded to IMC Communications, a company partnered with Starlink. Now, who runs IMC? None other than Chivhayo, a businessman whose past is, let's say, less than spotless. Chivhayo has previously faced criticism and legal issues for failing to deliver on major projects. His involvement has raised eyebrows and sparked a fierce debate about the transparency and integrity of this deal. Critics are asking, why him? Why not a public tender? James Mafumi, from the Center for Research Development, pointed out that this raises serious questions about the sincerity of the government's fight against corruption. And he's not alone in his concern. Many see this as a potentially corrupt arrangement that could siphon off public funds while pretending to push technological advancement. On the flip side, supporters argue that bringing Starlink to Zimbabwe could revolutionize the country's internet access, providing unprecedented speeds and connectivity. They say that focusing solely on Chivhayo's past might blind us to the potential benefits. So where does this leave the ordinary Zimbabwean? Caught between the promise of cutting-edge technology and the fear of corruption, the citizens stand at a crossroads, hopeful yet skeptical. What this decision will mean for Zimbabwe, only time will tell. But one thing is clear: the eyes of the nation are watching closely, ready to hold their leaders accountable. I hope this gives you a clearer picture of the situation unfolding in Zimbabwe. It's a reminder of how technology, politics, and public trust are deeply intertwined, and why we must keep demanding transparency and integrity in every deal, especially those that shape the future of a nation. Thanks for tuning in, and let's keep the conversation going. What do you think about this deal? Drop your thoughts in the comments below,